Hunting season is quickly approaching, which means it's time for the Own Your Hunt sales event at your local co-op. From now until August 26, your local co-op will have special pricing on plenty of hunting essentials to help you start off the season right. You can stock up on many different kinds of deer mineral and attractants, including the co-op corn and apple block, Big Tine deer attractants, Lucky Buck deer mineral buckets, and more. We also have a wide variety of supplies to help you plant the perfect food plot for this fall, including imperial whitetail, tall tine tubers, turnips for deer, and no-plow clover. You simply cannot beat our selection of feeders, blinds, and stands. We have deals on the brands Boss Buck, Prowler, and River's Edge. And for those early risers and late nighters, we will have special pricing on an assortment of headlamps and LED flashlights that are sure to come in handy this season. These items and much more are on sale now until August 26, so head to your participating co-op to take advantage of these special deals. And remember, anyone can shop at Co-op.